Example of Newton's first law of motion. Newton's first law of motion states that when an object is at rest, it tends to stay at rest unless an unbalanced force is applied to it.
And we know it is a balanced force because gravity is pushing it down and the Earth's pull is pushing it up and keeping it there. And does not move because of friction in the carpet. And now we're going to see a hockey stick hit a balanced force. Ready, Nate?
Yeah, sure.
Ah!
Ouch! He pulls it.
Newton's first law in the second part of it says that a object going in a straight line will keep going in a straight line unless an unbalanced force acts on it. This is a demonstration.
Wasn't that a great segment?
Yes, it was.
Well, shall we move on to the next Newton's second law of motion?
No, wait a minute. So, well, we do know the ball moved because my hockey stick was a point of reference. It moved away from it.
And then, for our second part of Newton's second part of motion, was that we know it moved because of Tyler. The ball moved away from his arm and his whole body.
Pause.
Go. Newton's second law states that an object's acceleration depends on the mass.
And we will demonstrate this with these three balls. Okay, so this is a smaller ball and it has the least amount of mass. So when I throw it, it'll be a lot faster than the other two. And now, this one is a tiny bit bigger and has more mass. So when I throw it, it'll be harder to throw and won't go as fast. And now this one is really heavy and it's got a ton of mass in it. So when I throw this, this will be pretty hard to throw and it will not go that fast. Okay.
That was a good segment too of the Newton's second law of motion. Don't you agree?
Mm-hmm.
Well, anyways, the laws of Newton on Earth and outer space are different. On Earth, it's if you throw the ball, it ends because of friction and gravity. But in outer space, there's friction, but not a lot of gravity. So if you hit a golf ball off it, a tee, it'll just keep going on and on and on. You'll never find it.
Yep. So, anyways,
pause. Well, since we've done that now, we better tell how learning science help us learn about God and telling others. What do you think?
And, well, if God would just change it on us, we would just be floating all over the place. That would be bad.
True. And also, all the planets in the Earth, if we didn't have gravity or God, they would just be floating away everywhere. But since God's hand, He has control of everything, even the planets.
Yep. That is just amazing about Him.
Well, that's the end of this video. So, want to say anything?
Well, we did a lot. And no dogs, cats, or camera people were hurt in this video. Neither were us. It hurt, but we didn't get seriously injured. And that's pretty much it. What about you?
Yep. Just hope you enjoyed the video.